Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea restaurant style. First, gather your ingredients: good quality black tea bags, fresh cold water, and sugar if desired. We'll start by brewing a concentrated batch of tea, which is the secret to that robust, full-bodied flavor you love from your favorite diners. This method is surprisingly simple and yields delicious results every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new iced tea skills. To brew your concentrate, bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove the pot from the heat and immediately add 8 standard-sized black tea bags. Let these steep for 10 to 15 minutes. This longer steeping time is crucial for extracting maximum flavor, creating a potent base that won't taste watered down later. After steeping, remove the tea bags, gently squeezing them to get every last drop of flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, just like a perfectly brewed iced tea, some things are worth investing in. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your tea concentrate has cooled slightly, pour it into a large, heat-safe pitcher. Now, add 4 cups of cold water to the concentrate and stir thoroughly. This dilution ratio creates the perfect balance of strength and refreshment. For that classic restaurant touch, serve your iced tea over plenty of ice. Garnish with fresh lemon slices or offer a simple syrup for those who prefer a sweeter drink. Enjoy your perfectly brewed iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.